Blow to the defense today for a man accused of killing a North Carolina couple. The judge decided to throw out a transcript of the man's father telling police Edward Campbell had nothing to do with the murders. CBS North Carolina's Derek Lewis was in the Granville County courtroom, and he has much more from the first full day of testimony.
Day 2 of Eric Campbell's double murder trial started with testimonies from West Virginia State Police. The jurors also saw pictures investigators took along Highway 64 in West Virginia. Pictures show rounds of bullets, brass knuckles, and receipts from purchases made just days before the crimes were taken at the spot a truck crashed about a mile from the shootout with police. At one point, the jury was asked to leave the courtroom. The state and defense argued whether the transcript of an interview between Edward Campbell and West Virginia State Police could be used as evidence.
Your Honor, my argument to you is there is no non-hearsay, independent evidence that will corroborate the things that Edward Campbell is saying.
What the state's doing is saying, you know, you've got to prove that you didn't do this, and that's not the standard. And Mr. Campbell's statements admitting that he was involved, he starts out saying he wants an attorney. But he admits that he did the acts.
I believe that this entire transcript is manipulation. Edward Campbell knew he was not going to be available.
The transcript was thrown out. When the jury returned, there were testimonies from Campbell's former supervisor and workers with the New Waverly School District in Texas, Campbell's home state. Surveillance video shows a white SUV being stolen from the district's bus garage on December 24, 2014. Investigators believe that's the same SUV that was stopped in West Virginia shortly before that shootout with the Campbells and police. Campbell's stepmom testified moments ago. She says when he and his brother got into trouble, Edward would raise his voice, but he was not physically abusive. She described her relationship with Campbell and his father as friendly. In Granville County, I'm Derek Lewis, CBS North Carolina.